Hey everybody, how are you? I'm back with the spring/Easter decor haul from Hobby Lobby. So, earlier in one of my hauls you saw I got one of these. I got a couple more because they were so cute and they're only $1. 40% off of $2.99, something. But these are really cute. So I got those. I got these lollipop sticks. I have never seen them where they are decorative as far as the lollipop stick itself. So this is going to go perfect with my faux Easter desserts. Making a DIY on those. And I got a couple more of the carrots to put into my kitchen for my Easter decor. And I had to get another bag, and all this was 40% off. I had to get another bag of these Easter eggs, and here's some grapevines. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And I'm going to be doing something with this in a DIY for Easter. And then I just got this little bag of grass because I do have some pink. So these are the two, this and the pink one that I have, I'll be using. And then I just got these because they were 99 cents, these white eggs. I'm going to do a DIY with that. And I got one box of the pastel, and this will probably go in my kitchen. And then this little guy, look how cute he is. And I'm not going to paint him or anything. I'm going to leave him just the way he is. And that was, it was regular $2.99 and 40% off. As well as this tin bucket. This is also going to be a DIY. So I just wanted to share that. And I have to get going on this, guys. I'm serious. I have so many DIYs. I'm not kidding. My head is about to explode because I keep coming up and I want to share these things with you. Hopefully you'll want to make some yourself. So anyway, I will be back and get started on another DIY. I just wanted to show you the haul. Okay guys, I wanted to show you the rest. I had to come into the other room because this is where this stuff was. For my spring haul from Hobby Lobby, this sign I thought was so adorable, and it's wood. Let me get it up here. It's got real pom-poms, then the galvanized metal, and then the wood looks like it's slats. It is adorable. And then this one looks corrugated. And this was only, and keep in mind, 40% off, $9.99. So 40% off of that. How adorable. And I usually, like I've said before in other hauls, I'll always get a couple things to add. Oh, hi Bella. I'll always get a couple things to add to each holiday when I'm decorating. And then before you know it, you have quite a bit to decorate with. So I got those, and then I bought 2 of these plates last year, and they only come in these 2 designs. But like I said, I think it was in an earlier haul I said it, that some of my decor was going to be more of the natural colors for Easter, and then there's other parts, obviously, I'm going to have real bright and cheerful and, you know, pastel-y and all that. But this is going to go perfectly with what I'm doing in one area of the house. So I needed 2 more so I could put these on my table. So I got these 2. And then this dowel, no big deal. But this is going to be a part of a DIY. So anyway, that is it. And don't forget the home tour. The Easter home tour collaboration's coming up March 20th. So stick around for that. Okay guys, I'm going to go get ready for my DIYs, but I always want you to remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. What would I do without you guys? Talk to you soon.